think the main advantage from the view is that you don't have a skull. So we always try to work with a diameter from 0.8 millimeter. Sometimes that the connecting tissue of those follicular units, when you work with a small punch size, is not the same like if we prepare them under the microscope. That is what you see here on these photos. The upper row and the lower row are from the same patient on the same day. The upper row were a follicular unit strip. To get more units out, we combine this with the follicular unit extraction. And we even get 4 hair units and 3 hair units. The key point for a nice result is the punch size and the technique. Even if the punch size is the same, we have the difference between the inner and outside diameter of the punch size, which is also very, very important, like you see here on the photos. And here you see a normal procedure of a follicular unit extraction, a full short hair cut. That's the same guy 2 weeks later, and on the lower photo it's 3 months later. Okay.